Hi, my name is Farhan and I am a full stack web developer. I help businesses turn ideas into fast, reliable, and scalable applications. I work mainly with Laravel, React, and Node.js. So, whether you are looking for a secure backend, a responsive front end, or a full end to end solution, I've got you covered. I have a master's degree in data science and analytics, which means I try to integrate data driven solutions into everything I build. Along with web development, I also work a lot with data. I build dashboards, mostly using Streamlit, and handle data scraping as well. So, if you are just like if you are looking for a product that needs data collection, automation, or clear reporting, I can take care of both. Uh, by both, I mean like the app itself and the data side of it, when things get messy. And what else? So outside of work, I'm a big Rainbow Six Siege fan. It's a highly tactical, strategic game where every move has to be planned, coordinated, and executed precisely. And honestly, that mindset carries directly into how I code and work with clients. So I plan before I build. I think through edge cases. I try to communicate as clearly as possible, and I focus on execution that actually works in real world. So if you're looking for a developer who is reliable, easy to work with, and cares about building things the right thing, building things the right way. So let's connect and talk about your project. All right. Yeah, that will be me. Peace.